most impressive initiatives I've come across is the Indonesian Women's Leadership Program, which provides training, mentorship, and networking opportunities to young women from across the country. This program is not only empowering women to take on leadership roles, but also addressing the severe gender imbalance in Indonesian politics. Another great example is the Indonesian Youth Conference, which brings together young people from all over the country to discuss pressing issues, share ideas, and build connections. This conference is not only a powerful platform for young people to make their voices heard, but also a catalyst for positive change. In this environment, their voices resonate deeply, shaping the future and inspiring others to join the movement for change. The impact of these gatherings goes beyond the conference itself, as new friendships and partnerships are forged, driving collective action in their communities. With each event, these young leaders leave empowered, equipped with tools to make a difference, ready to challenge the status quo and advocate for change. Let me share with you a remarkable story of a young leader who has made a significant impact in her community. Her name is Ayu, and she's a 25-year-old social entrepreneur from Yogyakarta. Ayu founded an organization that provides education and job training to young people with disabilities. Through her tireless efforts, she's created a ripple effect of positive change, empowering countless young people to take control of their lives and build a brighter future. Ayu's story is a testament to the incredible potential of empowered youth. When given the right support and resources, young people can achieve incredible things and bring about meaningful change to their communities. Ayu's journey continues to inspire, showing that one person's dedication can spark a movement that uplifts an entire generation. Her commitment not only transforms lives, but also builds a stronger, more inclusive community for everyone. Through creative events like these, Ayu showcases the abilities of young people with disabilities, fostering appreciation and understanding in the community. As we've explored in this video, investing in the next generation of leaders is crucial for Indonesia's future prosperity. By equipping our young people with the skills, knowledge, and values necessary to succeed, we can unlock their full potential and create a brighter future for all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on youth leadership in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about this topic, be sure to check out our other videos on youth empowerment and leadership development. The energy in the room is palpable as these aspiring leaders gather to share their ideas and aspirations. Each participant brings a unique perspective, all focused on shaping a brighter future for their communities. Conversations burst forth with passion, highlighting the critical role of youth leadership in driving change. In this environment, creativity flourishes as young minds connect and collaborate. They are not just discussing ideas, they are formulating actionable plans that can transform their visions into reality, demonstrating their commitment to becoming tomorrow's leaders.